Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 6 essential tips for crafting a resume that attracts top employers. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. A well-crafted resume is your key to standing out in a competitive job market. Here are 6 essential tips to help you create a resume that catches the attention of top employers. 1. Tailor your resume to the job. Customize your resume for each position by highlighting skills and experiences relevant to the job description. This shows employers you're a perfect fit for the role. 2. Use a clean, professional format. Choose a simple and professional layout with clear sections. Avoid clutter and fancy designs to ensure your resume is easy to read and visually appealing. 3. Highlight key achievements. Focus on accomplishments that demonstrate your value. Use quantifiable results, e.g., increase sales by 20% to show the impact you've made in previous roles. 4. Incorporate keywords. Many employers use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter resumes. Include industry-relevant keywords from the job posting to increase your chances of passing the ATS screening. 5. Keep it concise. Stick to a 1 or 2 page resume that focuses on your most important experiences and skills. Be concise and avoid unnecessary details. 6. Proofread for perfection. Ensure your resume is error-free. Grammar and spelling mistakes can cost you an interview opportunity. Conclusion: these tips will help you craft a resume that attracts top employers and lands interviews. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.